This is a demonstration of the pH indicator. We have two setups, method 1 and method 2. This is a document that Ken had made up to illustrate these methods. This comes with our software download package, along with a couple of videos on this, or a video on this rather. Anyhow, I'm going to reiterate it here. I've made videos on this in the past, so I'm going to show it once again. You can read the text here on method 2. You can pause this to read that. I'm going to move to the chart. So here's the chart. You can see the pH indicator at the bottom of the chart screen. We've got the pH 7 on top, then the pH, and then the pH day. On this particular day, it's a light purple day. The early morning alignment starts here. There are 5 potential triggers during the day session, and there are more at night. Depending on the market volatility, the night may be good or bad. In this particular day, it was good because the two potential setups were both in an uptrend off of reaction, so they both triggered decent long trades. But in the morning, the first trigger comes here at the beginning of this light purple alignment. The color changes every day based on the day of the week. At the end of the middle bar, the pH segment, there's a second opportunity. You see both of those were good trade triggers. And then the other important signal in the morning is the end of the pH day segment, which is the bottom ribbon marked by the red arrow here. And that was a significant high, and there was a double top and a good move down off of that. Then with the 2 afternoon indications, we had a short and a potential long. The only one that didn't really go anywhere was the last one. The first 4 were all really good. So now that was for method 2. That's the standard fixed points that we look at. The times are not always the same. The times change throughout the year, but the setup points in the ribbons are the same. Here's the method 1 description. You can read that. This one is a little more subjective, but we just tend to look at the major highs and lows of the overnight chart and project those forward. So if you want to read that description, you can pause the video. I'm going to move to the chart here. Now in this particular chart, Ken has marked the identifiers in blue and in green. The first one is mentioned the high of the day here at the blue arrow, looking to grab the color alignment of the top 2 pH bars, pH 7 and pH. We're right at the beginning of yellow over purple, projecting forward. We got 2 possible opportunities. Here's the first opportunity. It's this intermediate high, setting up a nice short. And that repeats itself again here later in the morning, and that is a low there, triggering a nice long. The next one is the low here, identified with the green arrow. That's with the blue over the yellow. Go to the blue over the yellow. First one is this low, giving a nice long trade. The next one is over here. That's a secondary high, which triggers off to a nice short. So overall, each of the identifiers, the prior evening low and high, gave 2 good trades following up behind that. And this is a fairly common occurrence day to day. Combining these trades with the method 2 trades will give plenty of potential opportunities for trades throughout the course of every day.